Hello friends, welcome back. Today in this session we'll solve this algebraic problem. Here we have 5 over 2x cube plus 2 over 7x square minus 1 over x that is equal to 0. Then we'll have to find the value of x. So please give a thumbs up to the video and do not forget to subscribe the channel. And this algebraic expression, it is in the form of rational expression. Now for solution of this rational type problem, first of all we'll take the LCM of denominator. So we'll take LCM of denominator. Denominator here is 2x cube. First is 2x cube. Second one is 7x square, 7x square. And the third one is x. And here the numbers is mixed with x cube, means alphabetical numbers. So we'll have to take the LCM of this. So the LCM will be, first of all we'll take the LCM of numbers 2, 7 and here it is 1. So the LCM of 2, 7 and 1 will be 2 multiplied by 7, right? So it will be 14. Now the next we'll have to take the LCM of x cube, x square and x. So we take the maximum power of x value. So here it is x cube. So in the next step, and we'll multiply LCM with both the sides, means left hand and right hand side. So it is 14x cube and we'll multiply with the left hand side. So it is 5 divided by 2x cube plus 2 divided by 7x square minus 1 divided by x. In the right hand side it is 0 and we'll multiply by 14x cube, 14x cube. Now here we have multiplied both the side by 14x cube and we'll multiply it by 0. So the value of x should not be equal to 0. Now moving forward, now here 14x cube will multiply with the first number, that is 5 over 2x cube, plus it is plus here. Now we'll multiply 14x cube with the second number, that is 2 divided by 7x square, and here we have negative sign and we will multiply this number with 14x cube and 1 over x. In the right hand side we have 0 multiplied by any number will be 0. Now let's simplify this. Now first 2 times 7 is 14, so it is 7, and x cube in the numerator and denominator is cancelled. So here we have 7 multiplied 5 is 35, right? Plus here we'll 2 times 7 is 14, so it is 2, and x square and x cube will be cancelled. Here we have x. Now 2x multiplied by 2 is 4x, and here we have negative sign. Now here x and x cube, it is x square. So here we have 14x square. It is 14x square, and that is equal to, in the right hand side we have 0. Now we'll arrange all the numbers according to the powers. Now for simplification, we'll take this 14x square in the right hand side, it will be positive, and if we'll take 4x in the right hand side, it will be negative, and here 35 will also be negative. So here it is, first we'll write plus 14x square, and here it is negative 4x, and here it is negative 35, that is equal to 0. Now if we look at carefully this equation, it is a quadratic equation, right? Now from here we'll calculate the value of x. So the value of x will be, here the value of x, that is root value, will be minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac, right? That is divided by 2a. Now the value of ABC. So value of a here is coefficient of x square, that is 14. So a is 14 and b is coefficient of x, that is negative 4. So it is negative 4, and see here the constant number, that is negative 35. So it is negative 35. Here we have value of ABC. Now we'll substitute the value of ABC with this number. So here it is negative b, so negative b is 4. So negative, and here it is negative 4 plus minus square root b square, means negative 4 square, negative 4 square minus 4 times a means 14, and value of c is negative 35, and whole the terms is divided by 2a. So 2 value of a is 14. Now let's simplify it. So it is negative negative positive, so positive 4 plus minus square root, here it is negative 4 square is 16, and here it is negative and negative will be positive. And now 4 multiplied 35 is 140, right? Multiplied by 14. So 14 and 14, that is 14 square is 196, right? And we have 1 0, and that's over 2 multiplied 14, that is 28. Now we'll simplify this. It is 4 plus minus square root 16 and 1960 is 1976 and thus divided by 28. Now here we have square root 1976, right? And we can write it as square root 4 multiplied by square root 494, right? 4 times 494 is 1976. Now is 2 multiplied by square root 494. So from here we have the value of x that is equal to 4 plus minus. So in the next we'll replace this number by 2 square root 496. So it is 2 square root 494 and divided by 28, right? And now this 28 we'll separately write with all the numerators. So we can write 4 over 28 and here we have plus minus 2 square root 494 and thus divided by 28, right? Now if we'll simplify, it is 4 times 7 is 28, so it is 1 over 7, right? And plus minus, here it is 2 times 14 is 28, so it is square root 494 over 14. Now finally we have two values of x. The first value of x is, we'll take positive value, that is 1 over 7 plus square root 494 over 14. This is the first value, and the second value of x will be 1 over 7. Here we'll take the negative sign, so it is square root 494 over 14. So finally we have these two values of x. These are our answer of this problem. So friend, hope you have learned something from here. Before you leave, please give a thumbs up to the video and comment on our video.